Okay, hello and welcome, and now I am continuing this my how to do oven engine by oven materials and oven hands. And now this our first part was that how to do this engine's piston and also this piston sub parts. And now we have this first part ready, what was this piston, and then we need this second part. What is this opposite part of this piston? And we need now something whole where this piston moves. And now for that purpose we need some metallic part, like in that kind of part, what should be, and actually should be similar material than this one, or then that can be a little bit heavier like iron or steel. And for that we need first metallic cube, and then we have a little bit difficult job because we need to drill in that kind of hole in this our metallic part what is in here in my hand. And I take then a little bit more light that we can see, and we need to drill this hole what is, when we have this piston, what must be a little bit bigger than that one, like in 0.1 millimeter bigger in that hole, that this piston can move. Because if they are in same sides, then this piston can't move in here, and this hole must be a little bit bigger. Okay, and then when we drill this big hole, we need to also think that this our hole is like 2 times this pistons, this area, because this piston moves in this way. This is like piston's up position and then in down position, that this our cylinder tube should be a little bit bigger. And then when this material what we are doing is this steel or iron or aluminium, like in that one, we need to also do in there later a couple of drill holes that we can add some like intake manifold and then exhaust manifold in here. And then this our engine cylinder tube is almost ready, but final part is that when we have this tube we need to drill in here one big hole, because we need in here this sparking part what makes sparks in here inside area. And the name of this part is spark plug, and soon I will show also that what kind of spark plug we need in here. Okay, but this was this like number second part, and this is this cylinder tube where this our first part goes in that way. Okay, and there was this engineering, this measurement was that this hole must be almost than this one, but little bit bigger, like 0.1 millimeter, that this piston can move. And then this cylinder tube length should be so long that this piston can move in here inside, like in that way. In here, this is down and up. And normally this engine is in that position. And when we look this, that there is this piston, and then when piston is down, it is in here, and then when piston comes up, it is in here. And this is the good scale that piston should move. This is like down position, and then it goes up and down. Piston moves in that way. Okay, and now we have 2 parts in this our engine, own made engine, and when we have made these 2 parts, then we can look the third part next. And this video continues in next part, what is the part 3, and please look that next.